Good morning, guys. Natalie Martinez again. Today's video, we are creating cootie catchers. Back in the day, they weren't called cootie catchers, they were called fortune tellers, and you just made your own. But this time, we are gonna do disguise learning. And the girls are gonna be doing their math facts with these cootie catchers. So we printed out a page with math facts on there, and I also went old school and got just regular paper, and they can use crayons. We definitely need to have scissors, crayons, and markers to create these. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Okay guys, so I am working with Victoria and she's making old school fortune teller, which are cootie catchers nowadays. So anyways, explain to me, Victoria, what you just did.
So first I took the piece of paper and I folded it kind of to where it looked like this.
Okay, so in half, and then you cut that.
I cut off this little piece.
Okay, awesome. And now you have
I have a little square.
Awesome. That's a big square. That ain't no little square. All right, so now start folding.
You're gonna have this line in the middle like this.
Okay.
And then you're gonna fold the top to the bottom corner.
Awesome. Fold that in half.
And then it doesn't have to be perfect, just try your best.
Okay.
And then next you're gonna take your corners and fold them to the middle.
Okay. All four corners?
Yes.
Yay. And with your other hand, you're gonna hold them down so they stay folded.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Okay.
And then after you're gonna flip it over. And then you're gonna have little boxes of squares where you fold
Hang
them.
on, let me see. Okay, perfect.
And then you're gonna fold the corners again into the middle.
Got it. And you're folding them up now.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Okay.
And then now when you have that, you're gonna fold this
In half.
in half, and then to make it loose enough, you can
Fold it in half again.
to
Awesome.
each side. And then now you have a fortune teller.
Yes. Awesome. Thanks, guys. You have anything to say, Victoria?
Try your best.
And add what to it now?
You can put numbers or colors, and then
Awesome.
write numbers in here, and then you can put like little jokes
Inside.
These little things.
Sounds good. Thank you. Okay,
Bye.
and now we have Jax. Do you want to move your tea out the way? Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so go ahead. Your process is a little bit different only because yours is already pre-cut, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so go for it.
So first you're gonna flip it over, and then you're gonna get your numbers right here,
Okay.
and you're gonna try your best to get them to the point in the middle.
Okay. Okay. And then once you get all four of those
Yes.
folded, and then use your other hand still though, right? Because you need to hold it down. Okay.
Just if you don't really want to do it, it won't come out as straight, but it'll be fine. It'll still work the same.
Okay.
Okay.
And then, now what?
Try to help me.
Oh, sorry guys.
Okay, so hold on.
Oh, there you go. You go back and go
Like
up
that.
now. Got it.
Okay.
Thank you, Victoria. See, I don't coach them guys. They do it all on their own. Got it? That is tiny. Okay. And then now this is the one you have to fold it in half, correct? Victoria, you
what?
fold it in half now, correct?
Yes. Let me fold it in half.
Okay, go for
Like
it.
this.
No, I thought it was the other way. Like, here.
Oh yeah, like this.
Yes.
I forgot.
No, fold it in half.
What do you mean fold it in half?
Like that, correct, Victoria?
Let me see. Like this? Yes.
Okay,
just like
there
that.
we
See,
go.
I haven't done this in And then you're gonna fold it
Again.
like this.
There we go.
And then the other side.
And then now you can start creasing it and doing it. Got it? Awesome.
I made it really tiny.
All right, talk to you later. Thank you guys. So here are the kids in action playing with, what are those things called again?
Cootie catchers.
Cootie catchers, but not just any cootie catcher. We got creative and did a math cootie catcher. You hear that, parents? Math cootie catcher. So let's make the time that we are off fun, but yet creative learning. Okay, so go for it, Victoria.
Pick one. Green, blue, red, or orange. Let's do orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. 8, 9, 5, or 12. 12. T-W-E.
L.
L-V. Okay, 11, 6, 7, or 10.
11, 6.
10.
Oh, got it.
T-E-N. What's 9 times 7? 63.
Yay!
Yes.
63. She got it right. High five, Jax. High five, Victoria. Good job, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.